Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shoaib and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am now in my 6th semester and maintaining CGPA of 3.93 out of 4. Before my undergraduate studies, I completed my diploma in Electrical Engineering from Magra Polytechnic Institute with a CGPA 3.87 out of 4. I also completed my secondary school certificate from Magra Technical School and College in the General Electronics trade. From the beginning of my academic journey, I have been deeply interested in electronics, communication system, industrial automation, renewable energy, embedded system, and so on. I enjoy learning modern technology and applying engineering concepts to solve real world problems. Currently, I am working as a research assistant in a solar energy project under the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. This experience is helping me step my practical knowledge in renewable energy system and teamwork based engineering project. I also completed a industrial attachment at Innovation International Training Center in Gazipur, where I gained practical experience in industrial electrical system and automation technology. One of the most significant achievements of my academic career is publishing a research paper in Scientific Reports titled Design and Machine Learning Based Optimization of a Graphene Driven Funnel Shaped Terahertz MIMO Antenna for 6G application. These research work increased my passion for terahertz communication system, machine learning, optimization, and advanced antenna design for future wireless technologies. Alongside academics and research, I actively participate in technical competitions and extracurricular activities. I become champion in the circuit solving competition organized on Engineers Day and achieved first place in the PCB design competition organized by IEEE We Affinity Group. I have technical skill in CST Studio Suite, Portreus, AutoCAD, SketchUp, Python programming, Microsoft Office, and industrial automation system. I am also continuously improving my problem solving, communications, and teamwork abilities. Beyond academics, I am an active member of the DIU Rover Scout Group and a volunteer of the IEEE We Affinity Group. Those activities help me develop leadership qualities, disciplines, and social responsibility. As a person, I am dedicated, organized, and highly motivated to learn and grow. I enjoy taking on challenges and exploring innovative ideas. My goal is to contribute to impactful engineering and research projects while continuously developing myself as a skilled engineer and researcher. Thank you for watching my video.